What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the FMS new crawlers. Now let's unbox it. Wow, look at it. Now this is FM's new 1/6 crawler. It's called the Chimneys. Now this is the first generation of Jimny LJ10. By the way, look at this. So convenient. Wow, this is a big forms. Yes, unboxing. Wow, look at it. Now, the new transmitters. So beautiful. Look at it. Just like supercars windows. Now this the mirrors and the drawers for the chimney. Now that's the chimney. Oh, we have to put it out slowly and carefully. Oh, wow, that's all. Okay, I can sit down and show you the chimney. So first, the front window can fold just like the former Jeep Willys, the 1/6. So I will put the window protector out. It's a little bit difficult to... Okay, I got it. Look at this big Chimneys. It's front bumpers. The wind. I can open the hood. Wow. This is all new designs from the former 1/6 Willys. The reason is that you can see in the front there's servos here. Servos. Maybe this. Oh, this is not all in one. See, ESCs, receivers. By the way, this is receivers. It said 4 channels and IPX4 protections. The support voltage I see is 3.5 to 8.4 volts. No, oh, it can support higher voltage. And there is brushed motors. I think maybe 550s. And the gearbox. So you can put your big batteries in here. There's a lot of space in the front engines. By the way, this Chimney is licensed by the Suzuki. Oh, by the way, I forgot this is a manual for the Chimneys. How to mount this drawer. I think maybe here. Yes. So easy. And 2 mirrors. You can see the mirrors. It is just like the real mirrors. Okay, now let's show you other details. Now let's see the wheels. I think the wheels are the same as that Jeep Willys, all the same. Nylon on plastic. As you can here see the dash of the interiors. So detailed. You can even see the speed meters and gearbox, handbrake, and 3 pedals. And the steering wheels are, it can rotate with the steering servos. There's a lot of space in the trunk. You can put some goods and some batteries in here. Oh, by the way, look at the seats. It's soft enough. I remember the pickup can unboxed. I will show you how to. Let's look at the chassis here. This is just like the real suspensions and 2 small shocks here. Nylon universal drive shaft. And these steering rods are metals. Oh, it said the motors are 35 turns. So the chassis are so simple. Gearbox, small gearbox, transfer case. Now I put the cage rear rolls in it and the mirrors. You should fix it, mounted it by yourself. Now this is a headlight. Unfortunately, no, this Chimney, it only has headlights. It didn't have the turning signal lights and rear lights. It's a pity. Now let's show you the lowest speed. Now this is a Hobby's 1040 ESCs and with 3S batteries. I put a 3S 3300 mAh batteries in it. If you have 5000 batteries, you can't put it in. Now this is the slowest speed. You can see The steering wheel is rotated with the wheels, front wheels. By the way, if you want to put the back tires out like this, you should lose the screws here. And if you want to put the pickups out, you should put this out. There is also the two small screens. You can put some things in here. So I have 1/6 doors for it. Haha. Now let's test the space for the drivers. Oh, how to? The steering wheels is a little bit bigger. Oh, I can't even put it in. Oh, finally, I did it. No. Okay. It's M4 guns. Now let's show you. Now let's compare these two 1/6 FMS crawlers. Now on the left side, this is a Jeep Willys. On the right side, it is the Suzuki Jimny. So the tires are all the same, but the wheels hub is a little bit different. As you can see, the wheels and the wheelbase are the same. And as for the hood, the Jeep Willys, it has some details, the engine details, and the Chimney, it is all the electronics. And I can put small guns in the engines. So I think the Jeep Willys it has more details and looks like wheels. The suspensions of the Chimney, you can see is the travel is so shorter. This is longer, this is short and harder. As for the interiors, not bad, all the same. The Willys seat is some like the clothes, the materials, and the Chimney is soft. It's just like soft plastic or soft. As for the trunk, the Chimneys, you can put some things in here, and there's no spare rooms for the Willys to put something in here. But the Willys, you can see it has official guns and official this. Maybe the Chimney will have it in the futures. But there is something troubles for the Willys. It should put the R clip out and put the batteries in here, in the middles. I think the Chimney is so simple. Simple chassis, all the simples. And these two 1/6 quarters, you can put the normal 1/6 doors in it. It fits well. Also for the front windshield. Now these two quarters are all beautiful. I love them both. Now, thanks for watching, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!